Dublin Macfallallyra. In Dublin next to ride, I thought it such a pity to be so soon deprived the view of that fine city. Then I took a stroll, all among the quality bundle it was told. When in a neat locality some did cross me mind. When I looked behind a bundle, could I find upon me stick a wobble inquired for the road. Said me Connacht Brogue, it wasn't much in vogue. On the rocky road to Dublin 1 to 3 for 5. Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road, and all the ways to Dublin Macfallallyra. From there I got away, Mr. never failing, landed on the quay just as the ship was sailing. Captain at me board, said the door of Harry when I jumped aboard a cabin brown for a paddy. Down among the pigs, did some hearty rigs, a dance, some hearty jigs. The water round me bubbling when a Polly head. Wished myself a stead, a better bar instead. On the rocky road to Dublin 1 to 3 for 5. Hunt the hare and turn her down